Designed to give customers durability they can depend on, whilst providing a quality cut and spread. By generating just the right amount of updraft, horsepower requirements have been significantly reduced. The updraft lifts each blade of grass, allows the cut grass to pass up and over the top of the rotor, and cut material to be efficiently discharged out the rear of the machine. To ensure a smooth and quiet operation, Gamma FX flails are uniquely positioned on the rotor for a natural dynamic balance. The face of the Gamma FX flail is angled forward, so it presents to the material being cut at the optimum angle. This ensures a clean cut across the full width of the blade. With the ability to handle fine turf mowing, right through to mulching tree prunings up to 25 millimeters or 1 inch in diameter, the Gamma FX flail negates the need for multiple different flails.